All right, big news on the Pune minor driver who's been given bail on some of the conditions. We hear in the latest, his father has been booked. The minor driver's father has now been booked. In fact, the 17-year-old boy who killed two people gets bail in literally 15 hours after he crashed his Porsche into a two-wheeler, killing two bikers. Bail conditions include 300-word essay, help traffic cops, and continues to help accident victims. This is the basis with which he's been granted bail. Of course, citizens across have really outraged over this kid glove treatment given to the juvenile. He's 17 years of age, inebriated state, but certainly a VIP, a builder's son. Has he been given special treatment? Our correspondent Omkar joining us for more on that. Omkar, we hear the Pune minor's father has now been booked in the case. Do tell us on what charges.
Exactly. The recent update is Pune police filed complaint, rather they launched an FIR against the accused father. That the father knew that the guy is not able to drive properly, he is not 18 complete, and after knowing that, he allowed him to drive. Even interestingly, there are two more names I mentioned in the FIR. One, the owner of a bar where the guys were having liquor that night, and secondly, the person who served them liquor at midnight. So there are three names mentioned in FIR launched by the police, and secondly, against the accused father who's now booked under the Motor Vehicle Act 3 and 199 section. So interestingly, FIR says the father knew that the guy is going out to have liquor, he's going to have party outside, and everything was happening after father's permission. So let's see what happens now.
All right, thanks very much, Omkar, for joining us on that. Let me cut across to the reactions on the story.
कल्याणी नगर या ठिकाणी एक अपघात झाला. या अपघातामध्ये 2 जणांचा मृत्यू झाला. पल्सर गाडीवरून जात असताना मागून एक गाडी येऊन त्यांनी त्याला डॅश केले. ती पोर्शे गाडी होती. त्याच्यामध्ये एकाला आम्ही ताब्यात घेतलेले आहे. मेडिकल आणि पुढच्या फॉर्मॅलिटी सुरू आहे. नाही, याच्याबद्दल पोलीस तपास करतायत. प्रथमदर्शनी तसं वाटतंय, पण मेडिकल करून त्याच्यानंतर जे सर्टिफिकेट येईल त्याप्रमाणे योग्य तपास करेल. एक आरोपी आपल्या ताब्यात आहे.
ते लोक टू व्हीलरवर युटर्न मारून आहे ना या साईडला जात होते. त्यांनी एवढ्या स्पीडने यांना ठोकलं ना, ती मुलगी अक्षरशः ना वरती उडून खाली पडली होती, आणि तो मुलगा डायरेक्ट ती लाल कलरची स्विफ्ट होती ना त्याला धडकल्यानंतर तो जागेवर इथं बसला होता. त्याच्यात पूर्ण बडकऱ्या बिडकऱ्या पॅक झाला. त्याला उठताच येत नव्हतं. 3 मुलं होते, दोघांना भेटले, आणि एक मुलगा जसाच मागणं बसलेला होता तो उतरून पळून गेला. नंतर त्यांना मारून पोलीस आले, गाडीत बसवलं. नंतर तो मुलगा आला शेवटी जो पळून गेला होता, मग त्याला पण नंतर गाडीत टाकून घेऊन गेले.